Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to slice object. So for us, example, I will create the box object and then you can create slice tools. I will use by using this script ball. I will click in here. I will draw the objects with these tools, draw shape, create like this for slicer. You can click done. After it, you can resize the objects and then move into the object. You can change to whole and then you can select all objects, click group tools. So to be slice the object. You also can use the box tools. I will click at this point and then you can select all, use group tools to slice the object. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to slice. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.